Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Ome TV you have denied access problem on your laptop, PC or Android phone or iPhone. So guys, if you have any device and you will see denied access problem on your device when you are using Ome TV, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your settings, and guys, now you need to scroll it below, and from here you need to open your apps and scroll it down. And guys, now you need to find here Ome TV. So guys, as you will see, so guys, from here you need to enable your microphone and camera if it is disabled. And guys, if you are using this Ome TV on your Safari browser, then you need to open your Safari here and you need to turn on microphone and camera as well on your Safari browser. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on screen time on your iPhone and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions. And guys, if you have block or restrict your Ome TV from here, then you need to remove all the restrictions and after this go back. And guys, the another step is you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and if you're using Android you need to open Play Store in on that phone, and here you need to search Ome TV. So guys, now you need to open it and you need to check for update, and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all these settings your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem after doing all these method, then you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to find Ome TV and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this go back. So guys, after doing all this method your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Ome TV and you can use camera, microphone or any other things on your app. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.